Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make pesto.
Whole food, plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Okay, so pesto, plant-based and vegan pesto. This has been a challenge for me for a long time. I adore pesto, but pesto has Parmesan cheese and oil. So it's kind of hard to get around. You can get around the Parmesan cheese part, but the oil is kind of a tough one. But I think I figured it out here, and this is a really tasty, great recipe that I think you're gonna love. So this one you do need, you need your blender. You can use a NutriBullet, a regular blender. I have a Blendtec here, any blender that you have. This is 2 cups of basil. And if you see, I'll show you where this basil pesto or this basil comes from. My garden is just loaded with it right now, along with my sweet potatoes. So put that in there in the bottom. And then this is a 1/2 cup of raw unsalted cashews, 1 clove of garlic, 1/2 of an avocado. So the cashews and the avocado are going to make up for that fat of the oil. This is still, it's not fat free, but it is oil free. And then juice of 1 lemon. And I really love this press. I will give you a link below to this press along with the exact recipe in the details in the link below. And I like my pesto really lemony, as you can tell. And then we're going to put a teaspoon of Bragg's liquid amino acids, because you do need something a little bit salty. The lemon juice does make up for some of the salty flavor, but I find it's even better if you put just a little bit of Bragg's liquid amino acids, or you could use tamari or low sodium soy sauce. And then I have a 1/2 cup of water here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of it just to get it going. We might not need all of it, but as you blend, it depends on your blender, you might need to add a little bit of water. So we're just going to blend this to the texture that you like. If you like it super creamy, just pulverize it to death. But if you still like to see some of the leaves of the basil, just base it on your own preference. Okay guys, if you can see there, this is super nice and creamy. I'm going to put a little bit on a cracker. Oh my gosh, that's so delicious. I can't wait to eat more of that. Oh, you guys are gonna love this so much. So thank you all out there for watching. Be sure to comment and subscribe below, and check out my Patreon page if you want to become a member of our Patreon community. Look at that, gorgeous. And I'll see you next time.